Welcome back to RC Mag Controls, guys. Today's going to be a little video of the FTX Vantage. You may have seen in our previous video where I clipped a pole, metal pole in the skate park. Oh, broke it! And it's destroyed the swing arm. I've put some pictures out on our Instagram page as well, and you should see a little clip coming up shortly of the broken swing arm. It happens, bad judgment on my part, but hey ho. I've ordered a load of new parts which have arrived, thankfully. I'll just put that to one side. They've come from Model Sport in the UK. Model Sport are absolutely fantastic. You order your parts and they're there pretty quickly, to be honest with you. Some places do take a little while, but Model Sport are brilliant. I'll put a link in the description below for you for where Model Sport is. These are all the little parts that I've had delivered for the Vantage. And then amongst that, I've got myself a little metal magnetic plate so I don't lose any of my screws when I'm working and stuff. So I'm forever dropping screws on the floor, and our carpet in here isn't really the best for finding screws. So, okay, so first thing we've got is some Dusty Motors shock covers. Because the shocks are getting filthy. Some of the places we go, the BMX track and whatnot, is just dusty. We've got a hardened settle spur gear, 74 tooth. We're going to see how it runs. We're going to do some speed runs and whatnot with it and just see how we get on with that. And we have got on here somewhere pinion gear. There we go. So we've also got a 26 tooth pinion gear. We're going to try that, see how we get on. Again, speed runs, see how it fares. And we've got some sway bars for front and rear. Jonathan, as you may have seen, has got sway bars on his already. He says it makes a pretty good difference when we're doing a bit of RC bashing. And as the swing arms are snapped, we've got some aluminium upgraded front swing arms, so hopefully they should last a little bit longer and take a bit more of a beating. Got myself a new body. When we're racing around, Jonathan's got the same colour as me and it's quite hard to distinguish the two, so I decided to go for an orange one. So, and we've got some road tyres. Some of the spots we go racing there is quite a bit of tarmac and stuff, so I thought I'd get a set of these. Again, it's all from Model Sport, and these are the buggy arrow tyres for the front and for the rear. Rear is slightly wider, but not a bad tyre really, but only time will tell, and we'll see how it handles on the tarmac. Again, we're doing a bit of speed runs with these, just having a bit of fun. So I'm going to stick all this on and we'll come back to you once it's done. So that's the broken part, peeps. As you can see, just shattered. There's a comparison for you. Welcome back, guys. I have now finished installing everything. Swing arms are on, the shock covers are on, the sway bars front and rear are on. I've changed the spur gear to a 74 tooth and the pinion gear has been changed to a 26 tooth. It's the 60 amp ESC and the 3450 kV e-tronics motor, running a 2-cell 5000 milliamp overlander battery, 35C constant discharge with 65C bursts. Not the most powerful, that will be getting upgraded. I'm going to be running 3-cell in this at some point. Jonathan, as you may have seen on one of the previous speed runs, was running a 3S, and he was getting 52.3 miles an hour, which is pretty quick for a little 1/10 that's supposed to be for a beginner. As I say, you can upgrade this as you go along. I've not upgraded the rear swing arms yet. I'm going to wait till they broke and then I'll upgrade them. We'll see how we get on for now. So I'm going to pop the tyres on. If anyone knows of any really good 1/10 scale tyres, road tyres, really good ones, put the comments below, and a link maybe would be great, and we'll give that a go. So that is the tyres done for now. So in with the body, spare shell, get all the stickers and bits and bobs. I'm just going to stick this on for now, just see what the colour looks like. So that's it so far. Change the body shell colour. Tyres are on, shock covers are on. I've changed the spur gear, pinion gear, front swing arms, put the sway bars on. Obviously I've got to put the spoiler back on and I need to put the stickers on. But we will be bringing out another video soon showing you the speed runs with mine with a 2-cell, and then at some point I'll get a 3S put on there and we'll give that a speed run as well, and we'll come back to you and we'll let you know how we get on. Keep your eyes out for the next video, subscribe, hit the bell button. See you soon, guys.